Hello, I'm Richard with Mr. Quik Home Services. I'm at a property here today. I'm going to go over water heater maintenance and what you should look for in a water heater to prevent what happened at this home. So from what happened at this home, I can kind of go over with you. You can see down here at the bottom where it got really rusty. Okay, well, the outcoming end of this was it was leaking. So the heater does need to be replaced. To educate you a little bit, always go to the serial number on the rating plate. That's where you're going to find your date most of the time. If not, it'll actually have date by it. But you can see this is a 2007 when the average lifespan of a heater is actually 8 to 10 years. So this could have been prevented with a little education, but now they have damage inside of their house. With that being said, again, this is the stuff that you're going to look for. And if you are proactive, always go off that rating plate, see where the date is on it, and you can actually stop this from happening by being proactive and getting it replaced.